Welcome to Nollywood Broadcasting Service. I'm your host, Ifren Joseph. My special guest today is Prince Ike Olisa, the CEO and founder of African Nolly TV. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
You are in Paris for the Nollywood Week Film Festival. Can you just give us quickly your impressions about this festival?
What I can say is that as the people who are in the motherland, talking about Nigeria, okay, where Nollywood starts as the base. We are so excited when we see some of our friends and colleagues. In fact, anything that is attached to Nollywood being done anywhere other than Nigeria. So it's a moment of celebration. We're so excited to see that. It shows that our language, our message is going out, and definitely what we expected is going, because we want to dominate the world of theater, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be here, and I think what is happening here is quite pretty good, and we want to see it expand to almost every country in the world. So that's it.
So I like the way you put it, straightforward, to celebrate Nollywood, and I will add to celebrate Africa at the same time.
Yes. When you talk about Nollywood, it's quite unfortunate. Nollywood has become a compound name. Mm-hmm. Nollywood have exceeded exporting of Nigeria. It's no more exporting of Nigeria, but exporting of Africa and blacks. In a nutshell. Some people see Nollywood as a Nigerian thing, but I don't see it that way. Okay, Nollywood is a model that develops every film, every other African film forum or sector. So when I talk Nollywood, in my own view, Nollywood is not limited to Nigeria. Nollywood is more than Nigeria. Nollywood is talking about Africa. And if you watch what we do, we don't do Nigeria, we do Africa. Gone are the days we look at Nigeria, we do Africa, we do blacks. We are mouthpiece of Africa, mouthpiece of blacks as a whole. Like my company is not Nigerian Nolly TV, it's African Nolly TV. Yeah. So we do quite a lot. Most times we even extend more than that. Okay, I run a company called also Prime World Production International. It's recognized all over the world as a film production company. Mm-hmm. So what we do, and part of what we do through that platform also is to be able to sell Africa and not Nigeria as a person. Remember that we are the biggest black race in the world.
Yes.
So anything that we do is not just confined to Nigeria alone, but to Africa in general.
This is very interesting. And now coming to your television online, African Nolly TV. I do watch this. The movies you have there, but they are in English. Are you planning to subtitle a good number of these movies to at least gain the francophone market? Do you have intention of doing that?
Yes, but a journey of 1,000 kilometers from a step. Sometimes it's all about, we have various things on board. Mm-hmm. We have we don't just limit. We're not just looking at getting into French. Mm-hmm. We're also looking at getting into Portuguese. To get them. But it starts from English, which is where we are an Anglophone nation. Yeah. So you start from your domain to expand. Yeah, but I believe that the expansion has reached a maximum limit of digression, into Francophone, Portuguese, even Chinese. Yeah. Yes, because I've been all over many countries, and a lot of people want to identify with you. They want to celebrate you. Gone are the days they look at you, they watch you in expression, they want to hear what you're saying.
Yes.
So we need to tell them the story, not just in expression, but vocally, so that they hear the language. These are the time we are really expanding. I have some films. There, though in another platform. Okay, but Francophone in another platform. But I'm getting to the level right now that I want all the movies on my channel, which is over 200, 300 of them, to be into French and also into Portuguese. You know, you don't deny these people this opportunity. And don't forget that when you talk about Africa, also we have larger number of Africans in Francophone, you know, speaking French, and those in Portuguese. So we are looking at expanding much more than what we are today.
Yeah,
it's going to come soon.
Great.
Great.
Now let's come back to Nollywood Week, Paris. How many movies have you watched since you came to Paris?
Yeah, obviously, having had a lot, I haven't had a lot. I had cold, so I am limited to moving so much around. But I know I've had the opportunity to watch one of my friends' film. That's the CEO.
The CEO.
Yes, I've been opportunity to watch that. But probably because of the restriction of my movement and other things, because of the cold, I've not been able to exploit quite a lot. But trust me, I don't think it's not just something of Nollywood Week alone.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a continuous exercise.
Yeah.
Okay. So I put it on me that I must get into all the works. I appreciate movie. That's my business. That's my constituency. So I wanna take a look as much as I have, even after now, as much as I can, be able to consume after now.
So what you mean is that you can take some of those movies, acquire some of those movies.
Obviously, yes. If I am into this trade, I cannot stop acquiring. I cannot stop watching. I cannot stop looking. And by God's grace, we have had some names there. So most makers of this film have a way to push it into a corridor, not about acquiring financially, but they want you to see, they want you to criticize because they are colleagues. So they want to learn more, they want to share ideas. So obviously it's coming on my table. Trust me, they are coming on my table, and I'll be glad to see them. So so if cold can deny me going out in maybe 2 or 3 days, it might not deny me watching all these, as they come.
Now coming back to your company, African Nolly TV, how many viewers do you have every month?
Oh, the truth.
Approximately.
All right. We've recorded so much views. I believe that was in a month. In a successful month, we made over 300 million views. Yes.
On Nollywood.
Yeah.
This is great.
But you call it great, I don't call it great.
Oh, really?
Because why I don't call it great is because we have many number of blacks all over the world.
In the diaspora, right?
Diaspora.
Yes.
Nigeria alone is a big market, you must know.
Yeah.
We have a population on our side. So, all over the world, people appreciate Nollywood movie. I expected more. Seriously, I expected more, and I believe that more are coming. So it's not about 300 million. Doesn't excite me. Yeah, it doesn't excite me because I know that if the awareness becomes so great to reach to its maximum peak, we will definitely have more than that. So I have many movies on my channels, and collectively in a month, I got over 300 million.
So can we say that Nollywood is conquering the world? This is the soft power of Africa, if you want.
The truth that I will tell you, yes. Everybody is looking at evolving things. Listen, doing things in a particular way gets you bored. You just want to test new waters.
Yes.
You want to know what happens the other side. You understand? So Hollywood is doing a very great job. Yeah, we'll always look up to them. All right. But far beyond that, a lot of people want to see a different thing. They want to see what they've not seen before. They want to test what they've not tested before. Remember, this is an export, not just export of a country, but export of a continent. So you must not be everywhere, but with Nollywood you can see everywhere. And people are beginning to understand that, okay, if we can sit down and take a look at this these thoughts, we can actually be everywhere, not being there physically. So it's conquering the world. We expected it to conquer the world. It's conquering the world, and it will also conquer it will continue. In fact, there's a place, like you said, it's conquering. We are tired of that word conquering. We want to hear it has conquered.
Okay.
That's what we want to hear. And that is where we are going to.
I withdraw my conquering. Conquered. Yeah, it has conquered the world. Because do you know why I said it's conquering the world? Is because when I ask questions, my job is to ask questions, and at times you don't get the answers. But now you're giving me precise answers, like 300 million, and these figures, we need these figures, like in my book, or trying to confirm a theory to become an evidence. Now for me, it's an evidence because I know that African Knowledge TV recorded this at a particular month.
Oh yes,
yes, you see. So that's why I use conquering. But now you confirmed it.
It's already conquered.
I'm talking to an authority that confirmed it. So that's very interesting.
Wow. It's a quote that I would like to quote everywhere and every time. We are doing good. We are doing quite so good, in trying to push out this I love art. It's part of me, and that's what I want to do all the time. So being successful in it, it's not just about making money. It's not. I think money is a different thing because it's a passion thing.
It comes after.
If you get into because of the money there, when you are starting, because the beginning is always very tough, you get scared and you get away because things are not coming. So to get to a place of comfort is sacrifice, is passion.
I know.
So it took quite a lot of sacrifice to get where we are, but I know that where we are is nothing compared to where we are going, and I'm looking forward. I'm excited to get there. Whenever we get to Hollywood, I'm a product of Hollywood also. I had a course at University of California, Los Angeles. So I was opportunity to hear great people, great professors from the school. I was opportunity to be taught in the School of Theater, Television, and film. So I know we've gone a long way. And I know there are still, many miles to conquer. And we will conquer. Seriously, we will conquer. We have our challenges, of course. Don't try to understand that. We have our challenges. But we never want to be cheapened by we're not cajoled by the limitations. We keep moving like a bull, and we are conquering. Like you said, I love hearing we've conquered.
Yes.
A winner is, a winner might not be recognized by everybody, but a winner must be recognized by somebody. So someone has recognized us. At least someone will say, whoa, this is the best I've watched ever in my life. Wow, this is it. So when people say that, I say ever. I said, do you know what ever means? I mean, you compare all the movies in the world and you're picking this, say yes, okay, that means we've conquered.
Yes.
Yeah, because you say Hollywood, you see a lot of people, but you saw this and you said this is the best, truly we are the best. So if I say that, I'm not gainsaying, I'm not trying to exaggerate, I'm saying what people, testimony of people. So you see we've gone a long way and we've done so quite well.
So in your view, how do you see Nollywood in the next 10 years?
This question always come up, but I tell you something. If I can predict correctly, I will tell you that in next 10 years, I see Nollywood as a brand that will carpet every other brand. Yes, I will tell you why. My people said that when a child grows, the older gets stronger. Yeah, I know that we are growing. The older, I don't know, I don't want to call them, could be getting stronger. But the truth is that there is fun in rating with the growth, not just the stronger. And a lot of people are coming because along the time of growing, there are so many activities in growth than just getting stronger. So many people are just they're excited to see this growth take place. Most of them want to identify with this growth. So I'm seeing it that in 10 years' time, we are conquering. Honestly, we will far exceed imaginations. And that is where I always look at. I tell people, let's have a platform that will far exceed our budget, far exceed our imagination, far exceed what we are looking at. Wow. And that's it. I know Nollywood is going to be that. We are quite innovative people, so we'll get there. Seriously.
So the last question will be, not to take much of your time, will be, what message do you have for your viewers, the millions of viewers you have all over the world?
Well, the message I have is, you are wonderful people. Yes, of course, wonderful people. Keep believing in Nollywood. Keep watching African Nolly TV on YouTube. Keep patronizing our works. We have giants, and we might not have pleased everybody, but the truth is that we are making effort to please everybody, and together, just keep believing, and everything we do in Nollywood is just to think. We are just thinking of different ways to keep you guys happy, to make you feel what you've never felt before. Okay, so we're always there, just keep believing in us. Let's work this together so that you will be proud of this great revolution. Okay, so it's not about coming to see what these people have done. You supporting us is also about being a part of this revolution. So you'll be proud one day and say, yeah, I identify with Nollywood. So let's do it together as we have been doing it together, and let's have fun. That's it.
Let's have fun. Thank you very much for giving me your time.
Thank you very much.
Have a wonderful time in Paris.
Thank you very much.